What's up, Blue Chips? One trade today on WB. It's been pretty hectic this morning. Let's get to it. So we got WB up here. It's kind of made a pretty decent move up here towards 43. We're going to start it. We got 91 on the bid. If it wants to pop through 43, be looking for something closer up towards like that 43.30 area. Some pretty decent sellers there, 99 and at the whole dollar. It looks like we're going to try to test those. There we go, we're at 99. All right, we got the flush down. See if we can get down there back towards the 42.50 area. Oh, no. Wow. Actually burst right there through 43. I'd like this to really kind of extend itself up there towards 43.30. A little bit spready too. Of course, I have to take my son to school here. I have to leave no later than 10 o'clock, so kind of pushing the envelope here. There we go. All right, there we go. See if we can get up there towards 30. It does not want to. And this thing is very jumpy. Lots of fake outs to the downside here. Here we go. And we're going to add there. What do we get? We got 22. Just does not seem to want to cooperate. If it wants to keep going here, we'd look to make one last add for the 50 break, 43.50. Do a 112 here, so 50-50, and then 100 shares. Get your shoes ready. Yeah. Go right there. Sorry, I know this is awkward. I'm trying to get everything ready while I'm making this trade. Really, just looking for this 43 flush. Keep getting under it here. I mean, the chart looks really nice. At least down to the 42.80 area. I mean, that's from early morning yesterday. We'd be really looking for this to get down there through or towards 42.50. It just does not seem to want to. It's a pretty big move. I mean, VWAP is all the way down there at 42.47. Just want this 43 flush so we can get out, so I can get everything ready. I was really looking for like the 42.90 flush to take 75%, and then I can just set a stop range at high of day. Or I could just set a stop at high of day and then see what it's like if my shares are still there when I get back. Here we go. Through 43. See if we can get down in the 80s. Right back over 43. Just feels like it's being held up here over 43. It's kind of looking like we might take a break-even trade here if it doesn't want to break. Just want to get done so I can get all this ready. I do not want to be late the first day. Here we go, 92. Come on. Right back up to 43. And it's not like holding 43 either. It's going through 43. Don't really have sellers stacking up there. 92. Come on. Let's get down to the 80s. There we go. 95 on the ask. Man. There we go. Trying to hold 43 here. At least he's got his shoes. Come on, ass. Drop down. No, wrong way. God dang it. We're just going to take it here. This is annoying. Oh, F U, WB. F U. All right, traders, as you can see, that was my trade on WB. It was a bit of a frustrating one. pretty much right after I got out of this. Just seemed like it didn't want to get under 43. It looked like it was going to do exactly actually what it did after I saw it dump after we got out. So the idea behind this trade, we had the squeeze up here. We were looking for this to really just get back down to this previous resistance area of 4250, as well as VWAP being down here, but it just didn't want to do it. We ended up getting in here. We averaged up. We pretty much top ticked that one. And as we were coming down, it was pretty much messing right at our average. Our average was at 4306. So when we realized it just didn't want to break down, it felt like it was getting held up there. We just took it, and we had other stuff to get done. As you can tell, that we're a little bit later in the day here for me to be getting this done. So even if I did get my partial there, it would have been nice, but we would have got stopped out for the rest of our shares. And man, I know I watched GDT. He actually traded this move, which would have been really nice, but I was already getting out of the house at this point. So man, just I mean, we broke even today. We made, I think it was $2.50 on the trade. Yep, $2.50. So after commissions, it probably won't be green, but you know, it is what it is. And I mean, just break-even day to start the month. So we're not going to complain. It was a little hectic. Just going to take it for what it is and move on to tomorrow, which is hump day. We love hump day. And we're going to go from there. So like and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Don't forget about the 400 sub giveaway. We're going to be doing that Friday night. We are over the 400 subs, so that's awesome. Always appreciate that support. If you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. That's just a way to show your support to the channel and to allow us to keep growing. And make sure you hit that like button too, because when you hit the like button, it helps the YouTube algorithm, all that good stuff, and it'll allow more people to see the channel and the videos, and hopefully we can grow the community a little bit and really kind of, you know, just put out there a legit channel. That's what I like to consider myself, a legit channel. There's not many of them out there anymore. So any questions or comments, leave those down below. The Discord channel is also down in the description below if you want to join that. I'm always in there, so if you have any questions, you can hit me up in there if you don't want to leave it down in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.